Hi, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a headlight restoration. I already cleaned up that headlight. We're just doing this one now. As you can see, it's severely oxidized. It needs to be sanded, and we're going to be clear coating it as well. So as you guys can see, you know, it feels like sandpaper. It's just filthy and everything. So we're going to clean it up for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to do it within 10 minutes, okay? Alright, so this is the kit anyway. This is a Cerakote ceramic headlight kit. They give you two pairs of gloves, one to sand with, and one to put the ceramic coating on with. Trust me, it looks a lot better on camera than when it does in person. Wipe off the headlight, and I'm using a detail spray. And I can clean it up real quick. If you washed your car before this, you can just do that as well. I'm just not washing the outside of the car today. So. Alright, so the first step is they have these little oxidation removers. You get 8 of them in a pack, but it says use 4 per vehicle. So that's what we're doing. We're going to use all 4 of these. Alright, this is the little oxidation remover. Basically, you just wipe the headlight with it. It's just to go in circular patterns, actually. So you want to go in circular patterns until it turns it'll turn really yellow and brown. And if you get it on the paint, then all you do is just wipe it off. Just make sure you wipe it off immediately if you get it on the paint. Like I just got it on the paint over there. Also, if you guys are new here, go and hit the subscribe button. I just started this detailing channel because I've been doing detailing for over a year now. I figured why not start a channel and try and grow the business more and help out more people with detailing, because there's a lot of money to be made in this business, you know? A lot of money. Or else I wouldn't be doing it. Wipe off the headlight. Okay. Easy as that. Now we go over to the directions. After you do both headlights, rinse thoroughly. So we got a thing of water over here, 100% water, you know. Just gonna spray water over the headlight, get all that stuff off. Use a new microfiber towel because you don't want to keep it on there. Alright, now that's done. Next step would be, it comes with this little sander disc, and what it does is you start out with this little 2000 grit sandpaper they give you. You put it on the little disc like this, so. And with wet sanding, all it is you're just applying water and sanding at the same time. Spray off this thing real quick, get it all wet, spray off the headlight, get the headlight all wet. And essentially, just like this. Don't be scared to do this, guys. And try not to get the paint. You know, you don't want to mar up your customer's paint. You can see it's kind of like a milky residue, right? I recommend getting like a little pump sprayer, just so you don't kill your fingers with this. Mine's just full of all-purpose cleaner right now, so I can't use mine. Just to do this for about 2 to 3 minutes. So. Any parts that feel really rough, just make sure you're going over them very thoroughly. Because you want the headlight to feel as smooth as possible. Alright. Now since the headlight's already wet, all you do is put on your little other 3000 grit to refine your scratches from the 2000 grit. Apply like that. The same process, guys, okay? They just get it soaked. Now this isn't really going to remove oxidation, it's just going to finish up the scratches that I just made with the 2000 grit. Kind of like polishing. Well, it's exactly like polishing. So. Now it says do this for about 2 to 3 minutes as well. Alright. Next direction is to just wipe everything down. Make sure there's absolutely no water under it because we're going to be ceramic coating it. I'm going to get another towel so I can buff this off because this one's already wet. Yeah, just feel it feels smooth, right? Compared to what it felt like before, it feels so much better. Fortunately, guys, my camera cut out. I literally just wiped it on the paint. And if you get any on the paint, wipe it off. But this thing is ceramic coating, protected now. As you guys can see, it looks a lot better than what it did. That's how you ceramic coat your headlights. Protect them in 10 minutes, okay?